start.
I am Javed Ali Khan, Director General of Ministry of Environment, Pakistan. I am very pleased to be contributing my views to you on the shared vision. My first thought to this is that the vision already exists as back as in 1972 when the first conference on environment was held in Stockholm, and then it was reaffirmed in 1992 at the Rio summit, and there are declarations and principles which already provide enough global commitment conceived at that point in time. So talking of the shared vision at this say in Bali or now in Poznan, or then it is said Bali to Copenhagen or Poznan to Copenhagen. So I believe it will be more appropriate to say that we want to commit ourselves and come with concrete elements to actualize those visions that were seen in 1972 and 1992. So the vision is already conceived, the vision is already agreed, it is misdirected kind of focus to have a new vision. The vision on climate change exists. We need to cement them. We need to work out mechanisms to actualize those visions, because there is already a commitment to save and protect the earth. And when I met yesterday, when Mr. Stern was addressing a gathering, he said that it is the relationship between developed and developing countries is like that. If you have invited your relative over, at lunch, but just to have a cup of tea at the end of the lunch while you have already taken the lunch, So, and then you ask him to share the bill for the entire feast. So it is, that means the earth has already been polluted by the developed countries, and at the end now, at this point in time, when there is no space, carbon space left, and you are asking the developing countries to pick up the burden. So this shared vision will not really work. The vision needs to be framed within the differentiated, common but differentiated responsibilities. So I believe that we will have to work within that context, and the developed countries will have to create carbon space for the developing countries to actualize their development, actualize their to come out of the poverty trap, to give a better life, to give a better environment, not to the present generation but also to the future generation. Thank you.